How to copy link on an Instagram post. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to copy a link on an Instagram post. To start, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. If you already have an account, make sure you are logged in with your username and password. Otherwise, you will need to sign up first by following the on-screen instructions, which only takes a few moments. Once you are on the home page, you will see posts from people you follow. If you want to browse beyond your feed, you can also go to the Explore page by tapping on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can discover trending posts, reels, and photos from accounts all around the world. Now, select any post you would like to share by tapping on it to open it in full view. Below the post, you will notice several icons, including the share icon, which looks like a small paper plane. After that, tap on this icon. From the options that appear, look at the bottom and choose Copy Link. This will copy the direct link to the post onto your device's clipboard. To use this copied link, open any chat app, messaging app, or even your phone's notes app. Tap on the text space and paste the link. Once pasted, the link will be clickable. When you or someone else taps on it, it will take you directly to the original Instagram post. This method is really helpful if you want to share Instagram posts outside of the app, whether with friends on WhatsApp, in emails, or just to save a post link for later reference. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.